Crash course on Cuban cigars. Welcome to a crash course on the world of Cuban cigars, where tradition, craftsmanship, and the finest tobacco leaves come together to create one of Cuba's most iconic exports. Let's delve into the art of cigar making, explore the renowned cigar factories, and appreciate the allure of Cuban cigars. Cuba has a long-standing reputation for producing some of the world's finest cigars. The country's climate and fertile soil create optimal conditions for growing tobacco, and Cuban cigars are revered for their exceptional quality and unique flavors. Cigar making is an intricate process that requires expert knowledge and skill. It begins with the selection of tobacco leaves, which are grown in various regions of Cuba, each imparting distinct characteristics to the final product. The leaves undergo a meticulous curing and fermentation process to enhance their flavors and aromas. Once the tobacco leaves are ready, skilled craftsmen known as torcedores carefully hand-roll each cigar. They skillfully arrange the leaves, ensuring a smooth draw and an even burn. The cigars are then aged for a period of time, allowing the flavors to develop and mature. Visiting a Cuban cigar factory offers a fascinating glimpse into this time-honored tradition. Some of the top cigar factories in Cuba include Partagas in Havana, where you can witness the craftsmanship firsthand, and H. Upmann in Havana, known for its rich history and exquisite cigars. These factories offer guided tours that take you through the entire cigar-making process, from the sorting of leaves to the rolling and packaging. Top 12 attractions of Cuban cigars in Cuba. 1. Partagas Cigar Factory, Havana. 2. H. Upmann Cigar Factory, Havana. 3. Cohiba Cigar Lounge, Havana. 4. Romeo y Julieta Cigar Factory, Havana. 5. Monte Cristo Cigar Shop, Havana. 6. La Casa del Habano, various locations. 7. El Laguito Cigar Factory, Havana. 8. La Corona Cigar Factory, Havana. 9. Club Habana Cigar Bar, Havana. 10. Conde de Villanueva Cigar Lounge, Havana. 11. Cigar Tobacco Plantations, Vuelta Abajo. 12. Tobacco Museums, various locations. In summary, Cuban cigars are a testament to the country's rich tobacco heritage and the craftsmanship of its artisans. From the careful selection of tobacco leaves to the expert rolling techniques, each Cuban cigar is a work of art. Exploring the renowned cigar factories and enjoying the flavors and aromas of a fine Cuban cigar is an experience that cigar enthusiasts cherish. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. And now, let's celebrate the art of Cuban cigars with a poem. In Cuba's fertile lands, where tobacco leaves unfurl, the art of cigar making, a treasure to behold. Craftsmen's skilled hands, their expertise on display. As they roll the finest leaves, a masterpiece to convey. From Partagas to H. Upmann, the factories stand tall, where the air is filled with aromas, captivating all. Cohiba lounges, where aficionados gather with delight, to savor the flavors, to indulge in the Cuban night. Romeo y Julieta, Monte Cristo, names revered. Their cigars embraced, their legacy revered. La Casa del Habano, a haven for the true connoisseur, where the finest cigars beckon, their allure so pure. El Laguito and La Corona, factories steeped in history. The rhythm of rolling cigars, a symphony of mastery. Club Habana and Conde de Villanueva, where time stands still. In the company of fine cigars, dreams are fulfilled. Tobacco plantations in Vuelta Abajo, where leaves dance. The essence of Cuban cigars, in every leaf, a chance. Tobacco museums, preserving the heritage and lore. A testament to the artistry, forever to adore. In the world of Cuban cigars, a timeless tale unfolds. The marriage of earth and art, a treasure to behold. Let us raise a toast to the craftsmen and their craft. Inhaling the spirit of Cuba, a moment that will last. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.